Hello student, today I will discuss about the meat production, processing and composition trends. Okay, the meat processing involves the slaughter of the animal and fowl, processing of the carcasses into the cured, canned, other meat products, and the rendering of inedible and discarded remains into the useful byproducts such as lards and oils. Meat is exposed to the series of wide range of the process: curing, preserving process such as salting, wet pickling, drying, cooking and canning, sausage manufacture, ham curing. All these processing techniques are aimed to inhibit the microbial spoilage and increase the shelf life of the product. Major principles involved the meat processing are use of heat, low temperature smoking, modified atmospheric packaging, and ionizing radiation. These methods of the preservation are mainly grouped in three categories: controlled by temperature, by moisture, and by lethal agent like bactericidal, fumicidal, fungicidal. Okay, first processing is the aging. The term aging, ripening of meat, which implies the changes brought about the resolution of rigor. Resolution of the rigor means improvement in the flavor as well as juiciness in the cold condition. The method used for the aging is to keep the meat in a cold room with the temperature between 5 to minus 2 degrees centigrade for 1 to 4 weeks. Okay, meat aged for 2 to 4 weeks has been found to be best flavor and good tenderness. Even tenderization of meat, development of better flavor and juiciness, denaturation of protein and their mild hydrolysis, breakdown of connective tissue present between muscles fiber by the action of cathepsin. Tenderization, the most important sensory quality of meat is it is tenderness and soft chewy feel. Some meats are tender while others are the hard to chew. This is due to the type of animal, its age, level of activity and part of the animal eaten. It can be improved by the either natural method, artificial, mechanical or chemical, and hydration and cooking. Natural method. Tenderness improved by the natural method in which use cathepsin enzymes. They cause the denaturation and hydrolysis of the muscle protein, make the meat tender. Cold room storage effective in the natural ripening process. Over tenderization of the meat undesirable as it change in the texture of meat and result in the losses of the meat. In the artificial method, mechanical action are used to improve the tenderness. Tenderness is improved by reducing the length of muscle fiber and breaking them. First, in which different action like pounding, grinding, ultrasonic vibration, insertion of needles are used to improve the tenderness. Chemical action by the chemical salts, vegetable enzymes like papain, bromelain, trypsin, physin, fungal enzyme also used for the tenderizing meat. Vegetable enzyme thought in their action sometimes restricted to the surface of the meat. Hydration. An acidic alkaline salt solution can increase the water holding capacity of the meat and make it tender. Okay. Salt like the sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, and acid like lemon juices are often used to marinate meat before the cooking. Tough cut generate need a long, slow, moist method and cooking of the cooking, such as casseroling. On the heating, muscle fiber begins to shrink. Around 77% shrinkage increase, and there are color changes and loss of the liquid. Liquid is mixture of the meat extract, water and fat. Next is the curing. Curing. The process of curing refers the treatment meted out the meat which help the preserving meat as well as imparting its unique flavor and color tenderness. Curing is a traditional art practices primarily to preserve meat and retard the spoilage. Curing agent like salt, sugar, nitrite and spices. Smoking. Cured meat is dried and smoked to impart a better flavor and cause the protein coagulation. Smoking help in the destruction of melange, prevent the rancidity in meat, and sawdust from the hardwood is the fuel for the smoking. Cold storage refer to the refrigeration and frozen storage. Refrigerated storage is most common method. Stored storage life of refrigerated storage store is between 5 to 7 days at 3 degrees centigrade. Freeze storage performed at minus 18 degrees centigrade, although does not kill spoilage and pathogenic microorganisms, it stops their growth and reproduction. Irradiation. A pasteurization method accomplished by the exposing meat to low medium dose of the radiation generated by electron accelerator or by the exposure to the gamma sources. Restructuring. Flaked and ground beef or pork can be reformed into loaves or portion resembling steak through the process restructuring. Example: smoked sliced beef, boneless hams. Fermentation also you fermentative bacteria add into the meat, produce acid. These contribute to the flavor and decrease the pH of meat, inhibit the unwanted microorganism. Vacuum packaging. Packed meat packed to the inhibit spoilage microorganism. Vacuum packed to inhibit spoilage microorganism, which are the uh, anaerobic which are aerobic spoilage organism common to the meat. Okay. In the canning involves sealing meat in the container and then heating it to destroy all microorganisms. Require processing of canned product in the retort cooker 12 psi to achieve the destruction of bacterial spore and exceeding the boiling point of water. Comminution. It refers the size reduction. Muscle tissue is chopped, diced, emulsified, ground, transformed into the minute particle for the incorporation into the sauces. Thank you.